started at the top, worked our way down, but we really need to solidify from the ground up. Now that we know our levels and stuff, we're literally going to start with this step here.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
Okay, so we're building a landing, and again, we're making this landing a little oversized on purpose, so once we get it leveled, we can literally build our stair on top of here. It can come a little bit back. The next stair is going to be built on top of this also, so the first 3-4 stairs are going to be nice and solid. They're going to have a nice base to go on. We can tweak that base if we need to, and then the rest of the way up, we're going to put a couple of posts in and attach to the deck. So it's going to be good and solid when it's done. We started at the top, worked our way down, but we really need to solidify from the ground up. Now that we know our levels and stuff, we're literally going to start with this step here, and we're going to build a big platform that's actually going to encompass 3 or 4 of these stairs. So the next stair we build is literally just being built right on top of this platform. The next stair on top of the platform. And then when we go up farther, we can put some posts in to solidify the rest of the stairs, and the building will solidify the top of the stairs. So that's what we're working on right now, just getting our level for this platform.